Mesro, it's a dear Baba Cosmo, a idea Hudia, idea Umudu, idea of Kamba, idea of money for shaky. Aha, it's you. Yet Donny Yadina, Ebesia, ye Adam Akope, double. Aha, Bobas and Bosia.
Okay, you can your first scripture.
All right. Songs of Solomon, chapter 4, verse 16. I say, awake, O north wind, and come, thou south. Blow upon my garden, that the spices thereof may flow out. This is deep. Let my beloved come into his garden and eat his pleasant fruits. Amen. It's very deep.
Said, let my beloved come to his garden and eat his pleasant fruits. Let my beloved Bema Mitono. Aha, Sons of Solomon, any Nipa Omucho, Sons of Solomon. They say, Oba Bine, the boyfriend, Edi Taho. Na Omwa and Namfufobi, so almost in the Julia Sons of Solomon, you do baby also daughters of Jerusalem. You do baby about Solomon, you do baby about the Shulamite woman. Because now Obi no Shia Omodo. And now Omudi and Pomo. Said the Omodono and the Omuta will be the coin. And then now Omodi Tross, and me assent. Ah, we don't be in the Union Ayusian. Now, as some Hano would just all can say, Ma Medofwa Medono, Ombra Mefunum. Aha, Omu Yisu, Brofumuno, Omu Yisu, you can't say. I don't know, say idiomatic expression of figurative speech. A figurative speech. And now, Omu ah, garden in a homa. I can't know when you see what they trust our garden. Garden no crown again. Garden near a body a dear in a media day. Edia Dum, Obana, and Obana and a Casa. It acquires all Casa Solomon. Solomon, Bra, therefore, no bell phone more. Omra meti aduane bia o pe no nya dai na oni e je se oba o we no nya meti ade bia e dai atom no se be ma to ne bo ase na oba gadi mu a bu onuane correct ones a o meti nya ti bia ma ne fire dai abai no eti kana obi bo nyum bi edu ba bia na e fi se eye wiase no. But so the answer at one. Now we are some of your Kenya. Or sister, when you're born as a bonnet. That's all Baba born as a bonnet. And one of them was a son of bonnet. Double. That's it. Only one. One of those is born there. Somebody one year. I will walk up watermelon. But 1 year now is up for case. Go to what's in a capo way and Kabaka to watermelon. Now, what Diama when here a day. And you know, Obia was said you were sisters in the garden. Remember, some shot here from members of make jam on number piece of question no more. Obia said you was in Penel farm. Obia said you are done for a say day. Any about Obia, I want to follow. Now, Oba, that's how they will prayer now the bar. One day you win at your way day. Even so, bro, once now, 2 was in our one. 80 August and was in Ma, the north wind, any south wind, and one from F for Yassi. Bema for was it? Who puts in any? I don't know. Pray on. Who was it's name fire. Fire! Oja! I do promise you. Almost as a Musro, Unia Pocodra, you away and the desk. And you know, say a more canon, maybe a what I say. Yamia Kumu. I'm a woo obey. When that party come up, when Mamma can say what? Was it so dear, your party, papa, and you will say, we are front and back, you die or dear. What I say, Yamiwa never broke. Anna, or day, and you would dear Friday. I do more. And what saying, Mamma said, I was said, no for now, or dear my one. Sanufway, me po, me po. Me de manual to so asa me yire no die e wo se nufuo no me ne fa danfo e wo se sanufuo no odi amawo no me fa no na me de me ye ni bibia na me tika nufuo ne so e ti se me hu se nufuo bia wo ba bia me ne nkonkobre sanufuo ni bi asama me kan so kan Proverbs chapter 5 verse 19 a e wo
hallelujah ni me nyina na chese enti na Bible say ye woni ma nyina ho kwan na nyina so na fantasy say ye be and the Bible no chese say we should not also conform to the standard of this world, but we should always do what renew our mind in everything we do. So we make every effort to stand out in the community and society. They say enti na me kan make a chiro. They say you will never know but then you know a fantasy as a near a Christo Nino, and near myself we are. Would you know? And when you must say, yeah, a team in Yamship Manyan. And once a minute, the mention is saying, and once a minute, and yeah, a big and yes, and yammy boy is saying, a year see any ma, a year no about. And then, sorry, I worry you. Oh, I am telling you, I'm being honest.
Yo, okay, but I really have a someone in that.
Just say sometimes it's nice to reflect over it. Say whether it was good, whether it was bad. You have to have a touch over it to know how to progress as well. And then on days that you have very good times, you have to let your mind know that, oh, last night was very good. Yeah. It makes the head. Yes. If you want to push them there, when they do a good job, let them know they've done a good job.
And then they Ronaldo go. The way I was sitting through, you're not here.
What went wrong is this. I was stressed. I was tired. So next time, this is how we do it. It often comes that. So, but remember to always appreciate them when you do it.
Oh, yes.
Even if they don't.
Yes. And then man also say, thank you.
We have to appreciate each other. The Korea is safe. If you're enjoying it, you have to say that. In fact, I'm really enjoying this.
Uncle Rob, one of us actually know.
Amen. Now, the person can say, our year is ongoing. Then, I see a maintaining a can. Something I see a maintaining. Yeah, worry. Once a while, we have to reflect upon our journey, our marital journey. Yeah, something for them for the I say, yeah, I worry MOT. I say, motion. Time, I do I see a pump, and I say, say, engine, I say, you have to talk about it. I say, more reflected. Jenny now, more practice, more and more embarking on, and one more faster. It is not that road that more embarking. You think about what the needs that make me I adjustment. Now, I dare person castle come say in Parana our so the book and I no chopia a fair clear they told me. Now yam fight him 7 entity because maybe especially young a crucible Anna Yama sometimes I must make a poor wayward. The answers and your hope on our mind answer any of them needs media and my amen. Amen.
We come again, man, especially over 40. Yeah, and do baby, yeah, now we're quiet break. And especially in Suso, it will know a far and boa, and Marco a cruise or some papa.
Yo, I'm saying, because of your brains, you basically have said, now yet to suffer, your papa, daddy, that's not what I want to work, and your mind, night, you have one talk one. Thank you,
the romance. There are so much has been said about romance. And it comes to a time, especially as a man, age take its toll on us. And so I think all the men here, we need to put that into perspective, that it comes to a certain point, we're not going to be like when I married my wife maybe 15 years ago. Because that time probably I was about 30 years and I was strong. You wake me up at night and I'm boom, I'm up. But but as time goes on, age takes its toll, and the fire that burns goes down. But that doesn't mean that the fire in the marriage have to go down. No matter what happens, we should understand that sex is only one aspect of the marriage. It's not all. The real major cause of the marriage is love and the covenant that God has given unto us. So though sex is part of it, children are part of it, we shouldn't take sex to be the highest honor of the marriage. Once that comes in, we are going downwards. Because today we are 50 and above, 60 will soon come in. And then crutches will still come. At that time we become like brothers and sisters. You look at me, I look at you. There's nothing between us anymore. All left that is what? Love in the marriage. So as we have all here today, I think we have learned a lot. And there are many more to learn. My prayer is that we'll continue to learn and we continue to study one another. If we have problems, it is better to find a confident person and talk to him. And with that, our marriage will continue to progress. And especially we Christians, people are watching us day in, day out. As we fight one another out there, as we shout one another in the house, we might think that nobody is hearing us. But a lot of people are watching and they are listening. So my prayer is that God will give us the guidance that we need to make our marriage successful so that we can pass it on to our children and the generations upon the generations to come. Thank you very much and God bless you.